What is up, RC enthusiasts? David back here again. I got some batteries for you guys. Now, a lot of people that watch my channel, you know, you guys are into these little WPL and MN models and stuff, and you know, there are a lot of different batteries types you could run in them. You know, if you're going to be using those cheapo 30 amp ESCs that most people buy, you know, little $8, $5 ESCs sometimes if you're lucky enough to find them for that cheap, and they have no LiPo cutoff, and they'll drain your battery all the way down if you let it. Now, if you're really good with your batteries, you can tell when your truck runs out of power and stuff, so you're going to go ahead and just stop running it and take the battery out, and that will save your battery and help your battery last a lot longer. But just for the people that, you know, let's just say you don't take care of your batteries as much, I have a couple of friends that are this way, and so I decided, you know, these guys contacted me and asked me if I wanted to review their batteries, and they asked me what batteries I wanted to review, and I picked this right here. And these batteries are just, you know, 18650 cells in series to make 7.4 volts, so there's two in series, and these ones have 1500 milliamp hours in them, so that should give you some pretty good runtime. Let's go ahead and bring you into this, because it's a tiny little box and I'm pretty sure you can't see it from where you're at. Let's get that started. Well, here you go, guys. That's the box it comes in. That's the brand right there, YOYL. Comes in a two piece in here, so there's two 1500 mAh 2 cells in here. And if you see down there, it says UDI U12A, so that's an RC boat. So these batteries were meant to be replacements for an RC boat. But if you have MN models, their connectors, the factory RTR connectors on the MN models are the same connectors these have. So let's go ahead and open it, and I'll show you. Now, this was sent to me by those guys from Amazon, the YOYL. And here you go, you got two 1500 mAh batteries. And the cool thing is, they get their own chargers each, so they don't have to wait on each other. You know, you can charge them both at the same time. So there you go. Now these batteries are 18650 cells, 1500 mAh, 7.4 volt. And I do recommend running these on your little WPLs and MN models, because these lithium ions are a lot more tolerant to being over discharged than LiPos are. So you guys normally see me running LiPos like this on my rigs. I know this brand doesn't make these LiPos anymore, but I've had these LiPos for years and they still work pretty good on the crawlers. Not good enough for any fast cars anymore because the juice will be drained really quickly, but for the crawlers it still hangs in there. And these are the batteries you pretty much get with your WPLs most of the time when you get the RTRs and stuff, and that's pretty much just this lithium ion but smaller cells. These are 14500 cells. So yeah, you know, this is what they put in there. You could replace it with this for more runtime, and this does fit in the battery compartment of the C24s, the C14s, the B36, the B1, the B16, the C24, the B24, the C34. This fits in all of them, and it's a long running battery. 1500 mAh will get you good runtime on those rigs of this. So yeah, you get two. I believe they were about $23.99 for the set. Yes, these are pretty pricey for batteries. I understand you can get them for a lot cheaper, but with Amazon, you're pretty much paying for the convenience of getting them really quickly. These batteries got to me in one day. The day I ordered it and the very next day I received it. So let's just say you were going somewhere and you needed extra batteries for, let's say you're gonna go camping or something and you want to have fun with your RCs out while you're out there and charge less. Well, go ahead and pick yourself some of these, charge them before you leave, and you'll be good. You'll have a lot more batteries to run with. And while you're running one, you can charge one and it'll be good. And the new WPLs actually come with this, which on the MN96, they claim this to be 700 mAh capacity. And on the MN99, which the battery looks exactly like this, and I believe this is actually the one from the 99, no, this is from the 96. And it looks exactly like this, but that one says it's 1100 mAh. Now, I have discharged this completely and charged it, both of them, and they both hold close to 1000 mAh. So I'd say they're pretty close to 1000 mAh batteries, both of them, even though they advertise them as different size. And these are the same size batteries as these ones. And not only are they the same size, as you can tell right there, they got the same plug. So no modifications needed to plug this in. Obviously, if you're like me and you end up using like JST connectors like these right here, you can make adapters for this. I have adapters that convert from this style to JST style. So that's not a big issue. Could always have adapters. You can buy them, you can make them if you know how to solder. It's not too hard. So yeah, I don't want to make this video any longer. It's just a short video about batteries. These are my recommended batteries to run on your WPL models, your MN models, all your little rigs, you know, that just needs tiny batteries. This will be a pretty good option. And for the price, I believe, you know, it's not bad. You're paying for the convenience. If you buy these batteries from another website that's going to take them a whole month to get to you, you're probably only going to save about $4 a battery or less, probably $2 a battery. So for $23.99, you get 2 batteries, 2 chargers, comes in a nice little box for you, and you're good. So that's my take on this right here. I recommend these. You could always go to LiPo if you want to go ahead for the, you know, deal with the maintenance of LiPos and stuff. That's fine. I have no issues with LiPos myself. I use LiPos on most of my stuff. Well, there you go, guys. 2 batteries, 2 chargers. Not too bad of a deal. You know, it's a little pricier than you can get it somewhere else, but you are getting it from Amazon and it will be shipped to you really quickly. So you are paying for that convenience. You know, you can get cheaper batteries on Banggood and stuff like that. And if you're willing to wait, then you'll save money. But if you want your batteries now, let's say you're going out this weekend and you only have 1 battery in your truck and you're going to go camping and you want to be able to play the whole weekend without just charging only 1 battery, well, go ahead and pick one of these up from Amazon. They'll ship it to you real quick, especially if you order it 2 days before you're leaving. You will get these on time, and that's pretty good. For these right here, these are what I would recommend to run on your little WPLs and MN models and stuff that don't have LiPo cutoffs on them, because these batteries are more tolerant to being over discharged compared to the LiPos. So it's my recommendation. Now obviously LiPos are going to give you a little bit more power, but these are not that bad, especially for crawlers. You won't be able to tell the difference really. It's still powerful enough and good enough, and 1500 mAh will keep you running longer. So alright guys, I hope that helped you guys out to decide what batteries you want to run for your stuff. I will put out a video later on battery charging and all that stuff, just to, you know, give you guys more information on this stuff if you want to know more about all that stuff. And also talk more about batteries in general and stuff, LiPos and LiFe's and stuff like that in the future. So for now, this is just a little video for this, to get your little WPLs and MN models running for longer and without having to worry about ruining your batteries. Alright guys, you guys have a great day today. Don't forget, comment, like, and subscribe if you want to see more of this kind of content. And don't forget, go out there, have some fun, run that RC.